yeah. MD, JPB. It's only right, baby.
Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stuck, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one.
Hello guys, welcome back to my new vlog. Today I'm going to review and going to talk about this new South Korean SUV Kia Seltos GT Line top end variant in glance white pearl color. This comes with 3 engine options, which are 1.5 liter diesel engine and 1.4 liter GDI petrol engine and 1.5 liter petrol engine, and we get automatic and manual options in all 3 engines. But in top end variant we get this 7 DCT gearbox. We get this new Kia logo in this facelifted model, and also this Kia's Tiger Nose signature grille in piano black finish, GT Line badging on the grille, and also this jewel chrome finish on the front, and bumpers look sporty. We get this red strip on the bumpers, add some sporty look, and we get this front camera in the grille, and we get this full LED headlights. Kia call it as crown jewel LED headlights, and we get this ice cube fog light, and these lights look stunning. Visibility is pretty good at the night. And this is the BS6 1.5 liter CRDI VGT automatic diesel engine, which produces 115 PS and Nm of torque. And this we get an advanced 6-speed automatic gearbox. This car looks very sporty and attracts the youth. Kia Seltos have scored 3 stars in global NCAP crash test. Could have been better in terms of build quality. And this car goes 0 to 100 in just 11.8 seconds. In manual, obviously it goes little quick. This we get this crystal cut alloy wheels, and this alloys looks cool. The tire size happens to be 215/60 R17, and this is an JK tires, JK tubeless tires, auto badging on the fenders, and automatic rear view mirror, automatic and auto adjustable. We get this 360-degree camera placed in mirror, and we get this red strip on the body fenders, looks sporty. We get this request sensor, and the door handle finished in chrome, B pillar finished in matte black. Kia offers 7 variants in both diesel and petrol, which are HTE, HTK, HTK Plus, HTX, HTX Plus, GTX, GTX Plus, which are also called as GT Line. Kia offers 8 colors, which are Instance Red, Aura Black Pearl, Glance White Pearl, Pinch Orange, Intelligence Blue, Gravity Grey, Steel Silver, and Clear White, and also offers 5 dual tone colors. And we get this beautiful looking LED tail lights, which Kia calls it as heartbeat LED tail light. And we get this chrome finish, Kia logo, back wipers, defogger, high mount stop lamp, and we get this spoiler finished in black color, and we get this shark fin antenna, UO Connect badging, and we get this GT Line badging, reflectors, and we get this rear camera over here, and which is decent. And let me open the boot. The boot size happens to be 433 liters. It's a pretty huge boot. We can easily carry 4 to 5 big luggage bags. We get this subwoofer here, boot light placement over here, and we get this spare tire. We don't get an alloy, we do get an steel rim, black colored, with tubeless tires, and we get this Bose system subwoofer here, and we get this parcel tray. It is also huge, and we get these seats that are 60-40 split, and this is the look of the boot. And that parcel tray can be removed in case of increasing boot capacity. And we get this dual muffler design finished in silver color, and we get this kit plates and red strip finish there for sporty touch. And height of this car happens to be 1645 mm, and width of this car happens to be 1800 mm. And we get this all 4 disc brakes in this variant, and fuel tank capacity happens to be 50 liters, and company claimed mileage happens to be 17.8 kilometers per liter in diesel. In terms of diesel automatic, it's a pretty good mileage. And we get this quarter glass, and we get this customer care number also, chrome finish and window garnish. In terms of safety, we get anti-lock braking system, brake assist, central locking, power door locks, child safety lock, anti-thief alarm, 6 airbags, and traction control, adjustable seat belts, vehicle stability control system, engine immobilizer, and crash sensor, central mounted fuel tank, engine check warning, automatic headlamps, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, blind spot monitoring, hill assist, impact sensing auto door lock, 360-degree camera. We get this request sensors, chrome door handles, and let me open the door. We get this full black interior. If we go to tech variant, we get dual tone, beige and black. We get this leather finish with red color stitching, power window button, mirror adjustable buttons, door handles finished in silver color. We get this piano black finish on the doors. We get this 1 liter water bottle storage and some storage place. This is the look of the dashboard and interior. We get this flat bottom steering wheel. This is the control of stereo. This is the control of this tech meter. This is the look of the speedometers. And we get this paddle shifters and wiper controls, headlight controls. We get this automatic function, and we get this push button start, traction control button, and heads up display button, and this is for headlight leveler. We get this Bose system. We get this 2 cup holders, handbrake, and 6-speed automatic gearbox, and we get this ventilated seats option also, and we get this drive modes, and we get this wireless charging pad, USB aux ports, and 12V charging port, automatic climate control, hazard light button, and AC vents. And we get this 10.25 inches HD stereo, glove box. It is not a cooled glove box. And we get this rear parking camera with 360-degree angle, and instrument cluster which looks good. And we get this blind spot monitoring system which shows, if we on the indicators, it shows the view in instrument cluster. from the camera which is placed in mirrors. It is pretty cool. The rear doors are finished in black. We get this leather finish on the doors. The rear seat comfort is good, and we get this 60-40 split seats, and we get this all 3 adjustable headrests, and we don't get an ventilated seats at the rear, but we get it on the front. Headroom, knee room and the leg room are very good. We get this grab handles on both the side, and we get this sun blinds which is fixed and easy to use. We get this door handles, 1 liter water bottle storage, speakers, AC vents, and we get this air purifier at the rear, and it purifies the air in entire car. It is good. And we get this AC vents, 12V charging port, and come let's hear the sound output of Bose system.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watch away the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Thank you for watching the video. If you had got it useful, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram for latest updates, and do subscribe our Kannada channel for Kannada reviews